Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Daz Genesis 8.1's avatar into Character Creator 4. And start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. There are a few tricks that we have to follow. Right. First, you make sure you already have the Daz, and now I'm going to create a new avatar from Genesis 8.1. Right, it is already in my Daz 3D library. As demo, I'm going to create a female, Genesis 8 female. You can see now I have Genesis 8.1 basic female. I double click to load this avatar, and then the first step, I'm going to give this avatar a hairstyle, and then I'm going to give some clothing as well. For example, the basic wear. And next, you can scroll down, go to my video descriptions. I already create a tutorial summary. First, you can see I design an avatar with Genesis 8.1, apply a shirt, a pants, and a hairstyle. And next, you have to go to the scene to delete the Genesis female eyelashes and Genesis 8.1 female tier. So first, you can see by default, you can just look at here the scenes. Then click here. Then what can you see? This is the eyelashes, and here you have to press delete button to delete it to make sure it is not at there. Okay, now you can see your viewport here, your workspace, select the layout. By default, it is the city limits light. Alright, this is the default layout. Right, then you have to change it to the workplace, select the layout, change it to city limits. This is really important. Right, then the scene is at here. It is quite similar, but now you can see another functions. You can see another functions. This one. At the previous layouts, you cannot see this. So now I also change the view to become the texture shaders. Alright, now the next step, once you already delete the Genesis female eyelashes, then you also already deleted the female tier. Next, you have to go to the content library to look for the anatomy, apply the Genesis 8 female eyelashes. It must be the version 8. Right, now I will find it from here, the Genesis 8 anatomy. Now you can see you have the 8.1 and also 8. You double click the version 8. Right, then it will apply the version 8 eyelashes. And next, you go to the material, the base material array to apply the BAT matte eyelashes. This is the material. So you find it from material here, the base material, the array. You should be able to see the base matte eyelashes. Double click to apply it. This is the 8.1, and then we are going to apply the version 8. Make sure you click the head first and double click to apply. Then it will apply the base matte eyelashes. Alright, next you have to apply the A pose. This is not the A pose, so you have to apply the A pose. But where to find the A pose? In this tutorial, we are going to import it into the Character Creator 4 and CC4. So if you are using the CC4, you have to go to these locations. The C program file, Reallusion, Character Creator 4, program assets, external file, Daz resources, texture. You can just copy this location from my video descriptions. If you already install the CC4, the Character Creator 4, I copy this. And then I can see the File Explorer is at here. I right click File Explorer and then click at here, Control V to paste and press enter. Now, this is the texture profile. You click the Daz resources here. Wait. This is the locations. The Daz resources, you should be able to see the A pose and T pose. So this one, no need the texture profile. Just copy this. For CC4 Character Creator 4, copy this. And then in your File Explorer, click at here, Control V to paste and press enter. You will enter this folder. And then you can see A pose and T pose is that here, add A pose and T pose. You click the first one and hold the control to select the second one. And press Control C to copy both folder. Alright. Then you are going to paste it into these two locations. To copy the A pose and T pose folder into these two locations. So now I'm going to right click my File Explorer again. Okay, this is the first location. This location. Control C and click here, Control V, press enter. Alright, by default, the A pose and T pose are not there. This is the locations. Then you have to copy the A pose and T pose into here. Right click copy, and right click paste. Just now mine already at there just because of I already copy and paste into that locations. And also the second location is at the male, Genesis 8 male, just now is the female. You also have to paste into these locations. By default, it was not there. Alright, you have to copy from here. Right click copy, right click paste. So that you can see the A pose and T pose. Then next, we are going to apply the T pose. So, you go and find your Genesis 8 female. Then the poses at here, click the poses. Then you right click here to refresh it. Refresh it. Then you should be able to see the A pose at there. Genesis 8, the G8 female A pose, you have to double click to apply the A pose. This step is compulsory in order to apply it in your Character Creator 4. To import it, you need an A pose first. Alright. Once you already apply the A pose, finish this step. Refresh the pose folder in Content Library, apply A pose. Alright, next, you have to go to the menu, Window, Workplace, select a layout, choose the city limit. Just now we already selected. So it is already here. Window, Workplace, select a layout. You already select the city limits. You can select it at the beginning, it doesn't matter. Save it. So again, click the Content Library, and here this is the scenes. You can see everything here, right hips, etc. Then you have to go to the menu. Okay, this is the summary. Go to the menu, Window, Pen Steps, Tool Setting, drag into the left tab. Right, it is at here. Window, Pens, Pen Steps, and then Tool Setting. Tool Setting is at here. You click, it will appear at here. You drag it to the left tabs. Then you can see it will be there. And next, click here. Okay, now just now you can see the scene. Now you click the scenes, it will remove it. Click here, show as aspect frame. You tick, then it will disappear. Just to untick it. Right. You are here, untick the show aspect time. Then next you have to edit the tool setting. Edit the tool setting. You have to click here. Alright. Click here to edit the tool setting. And always remember, back to the scene, if you can't see all of this, you have to click the hip to make sure you selected the hip, not other things. You must click and select the hip from the scenes. And then now you can see all of this, the surfaces. You have to rename the body to torso. You find the body at here. Where is the body? The body at here, you double click and then name it as torso. First you start with the capital letter T, then O-R-S-O, torso. Alright, enter. Now you rename the body to become the torso. This will solve the problem of the Genesis 8.1, which previously people can't import into the Character Creator 4. You have to rename it become torso first. And the next step, once you've done the rename body to torso, next you have to edit, have to go to the menu of the edit, figure, scene identifications, and rename all the Genesis 8.1 to it. So just follow this step by step. Go to the menu of the edit, then figure, then scenes, identifications. Now you can see the node name and the node label is Genesis 8.1. You rename it to become the Genesis 8. Here also 8_1. You have to delete the _1 to make sure it is Genesis 8 female without spacing. And here Genesis space 8 space female. Alright, rename it in that way and then click accept. Alright, actually this is the last step of the setup, the menu edits. Rename all to Genesis 8. Alright, then now you've done everything already, you can export it as FBX and import into the Character Creator 4 by using the transformer tool. I'm going to show you a demo here. Just have a look. Now I close all the windows, unnecessary window first. And as demo, I'm going to export her on my desktop. I create a new folder here. Genesis 8.1 female. Alright, now this is really a Genesis 8.1 and I'm going to export it here. I copy this folder destination location. I copy already. Then in my DAZ, in my Daz, I click File, Export. The FBX, here you have to choose the FBX and click here. This is the destination. I Ctrl V to paste the location and enter. Then the file name, I'm going to name this as Genesis. Okay, DAZ Genesis 8.1 female. Alright. Do it in this way, then click save, then click accept. It is going to export the FBX file. And here we have to wait for a while until it finishes exported. Now this is an FBX file. And always remember, in this tutorial, we are going to import it into the Character Creator 4 to make this Daz 3D avatar, this Daz avatar, to become the CC avatar in Character Creator 4. We are going to really convert it to become the CC4 avatar. So now, open your Character Creator 4, your CC4. You should be able to see a transformer here, just step by step to show you. Click here, click the transformer and import it as the CC3+. And then copy the folder destination location, Ctrl+C to copy, and then paste it here, Ctrl+V, and press enter. This is the FBX file that I just exported, the Daz Genesis 8.1 female. Double click it. Now it is importing the FBX file, and then it already detected that this is a Daz 3D avatar. So click the basic, and I'm going to show you the further steps, how to successfully import it to make it become a CC4 avatar. To import this Daz avatar, you have to tick the big body texture, and then the texture profile, you click here. Alright. Then where is the location? The location should be at here. I will give it in my video descriptions. I will put it here. Import into the CC4 by using the transformer tool. Right. I will put it here. This is the texture profile. Location of texture profile in CC4. You have to find this location. You can just direct copy and paste this location. Ctrl C to copy and then click here. Ctrl V to paste it. Then you should be able to see the G8 female texture profile. Just double click to open. And the texture folder, you have to back to your FBX. Then after you import the FBX, you should be able to see that it automatically generates an FBM folder. Double click in. These are the textures. So this is the texture folder. You copy this location, copy, and then you click here, then click here, Ctrl V to paste and press enter. This is the folder. Select the folder. To make sure you set these two locations correctly, and bake the maximum texture size. This one is up to you. As demo, I'm going to just use the 1K. It's okay. Then click OK. Now it is going to convert this Genesis 8.1 DAZ avatar into the Character Creator 4. Now it is going to make it become a CC4 avatar. The type of the CC4 avatar here is the CC3 Plus. So just wait for a while until it finishes loading. It is baking the texture. You can see the progression here. It is about 82%. Right. Now it is almost done. 91%, 95%, and finally it is really done. Right. Then the first thing what you are going to do is you can see that these pens have some collision problem. It is really simple. Press Q and double click this pen and click here to edit the mesh. Then click sculpt. Make sure it is going to select this, and then press X. You can move, and then when you want to drag it out, you have to press Q again. Press Q and then just click on that to make sure that there's no collision problem. So everything done. Okay. It's okay already. Then click edit mesh again. This is quite perfect already. So now you still can see some penetration here. Then just edit again. Edit the mesh. Sculpt. Extrude it out. Okay, just now it's at here. Then done. Edit again. At this point. Now done. This is really a CC4 avatar. It already become a character creator for avatar. And how are you going to prove? You can just test it here. Test by using the CC4 morph. It is really can work. You can see you really can work with the morph. That means that you already successfully make it become a CC4 avatar. For example, the body fats, everything ready now. So next, you can just save it as a CC project. Go to custom project, CC project, and I'm going to save it. Save it as a CC project. That's all. Now we already successfully import the Daz Genesis 8.1 3D avatar into the Character Creator 4 and really make it become the CC4 avatar. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy animation and game developing. See you.